Exercise 6.6 question number 2. Here in the given figure, D is a point on hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC such that BD is perpendicular to AC, DM is perpendicular to BC and DN is perpendicular to AB. And we have to prove that DM square equal to DN into MC and DN square is equal to DM into AN. So let's write given. BD is perpendicular to AC. DM is perpendicular to BC and DN is perpendicular to AB. To prove, DM square is equal to DN into MC and DN square is equal to DM into AN. Here we have AB is perpendicular to BC and DM is also perpendicular to BC. Therefore, AB is parallel to DM. Because lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel to one another. AB is perpendicular to BC, DM is also perpendicular to BC. That's why AB and DM are perpendicular to parallel to one another. And CB is perpendicular to AB and DN is also perpendicular to AB. Therefore, CB is parallel to DN because lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel to one another. So this way AB is parallel to DM and BC is parallel to DN. Therefore, quadrilateral BMDN is a rectangle. Why this quadrilateral BMDN is a rectangle? Because opposite sides are parallel and each interior angle is a right angle. So that's why quadrilateral BMDN is a rectangle, and therefore BM is equal to DN and BN is equal to DM. Opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. In triangle BMD, we have angle BMD is equal to 90 degree because DM is perpendicular to BC. Let this angle be 1, this angle be 2, this angle be 3 and this angle be 4 in the given figure. This angle BMD is 90 degree because DM is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 will be 90 degree. So, angle 2 plus angle 1 is equal to 90 degree from angle sum property. In triangle DMC, angle DMC equal to 90 degree because DM is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. Also, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 90 degree because BD is perpendicular to AC. So, angle 1 plus 2 90 degree, angle 2 plus 3 also equal to 90 degree. So, we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, and this implies angle 1 is equal to angle 3 because angle 2 will get cancelled from both sides, and angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4 because angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degrees and angle 3 plus angle 4 is also equal to 90 degree, and therefore we have written angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Now angle 3 will get cancelled from both sides and we will get angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now in triangle BMD and triangle DMC, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Therefore, triangle BMD is similar to triangle DMC by angle similarity. Therefore, BM by DM is equal to DM by MC. Sides of similar triangles are proportional. To understand this proportionality of sides in two similar triangles clearly, let us draw two triangles separately like this. BMD and DMC. This angle 1, this angle 3, this angle is 2, this angle is 4. So, and these two triangles are similar. Triangle BMD similar to triangle DMC by angle similarity, we have proved it. So, now you can see BM and DM are corresponding sides, DM and MC are corresponding sides in these two triangles. To understand this proportionality of sides in two similar triangles that we have already proved, we have drawn triangle BMD and DMC separately here. And now from this figure it is very clear that BM and DM are corresponding sides, so it is written BM by DN. DM and MC are corresponding sides, so DM by MC. Now this relation implies DN by DM is equal to DM by MC, because BM is equal to DM, because BM is equal to DN. Now cross multiply DM into DM. DM square is equal to DN into MC, and this is the first part which we have. Proceeding as in first part, we can prove that let this angle be 5, this angle be 6, this angle be 7, and this angle be 8. So like first part, we can prove that angle 5 is equal to angle 7. Angle 5 is equal to angle 7, and angle 6 we can prove equal to angle 8, and angle 6 is equal to angle 8. In triangle BND and triangle DNA, we have this triangle BND and this triangle DNA. Angle 5 equal to angle 7. Angle 5 is equal to angle 7, and angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Therefore, triangle BND is similar to triangle DNA by angle similarity. So BN by DN is equal to DN by AN. Sides of similar triangles are proportional. This implies BN is equal to DN. So DM by DN is equal to DN by AN, because BN is equal to DM. Now cross multiply DN into DN. DN square equal to DM into AN. DM into AN. Hence proved.